Okay, this I've been looking forward to. This an Amplifon audio WL60. It's been built in Poland by a guy there who stopped his business, restarted his business, and built this incredible amp. It looks really nice. Power on off, volume, 3 line inputs. One is called CD. I don't know what the difference is for that. And then what I like on this, it has a standby, so you can power off or disconnect the high voltage, so you don't draw all that current to the tubes, output tubes. So you only have the heater on. If I take off the lid here, so you can see how it looks. That way it's with 6550 output tubes now. It can also be fitted with KT88 and KT90 without anything. It is using, sorry for that, but I can't remember what it's using for the input here. It's probably some Russian tube. I kind of remember that. Yeah. I'm gonna put that in the lines what the preamp tubes are, and the driver tubes. These are probably the driver tubes, or they must be. So yes, let's put on the gasket or the lid, or whatever you want to call this. Okay, let's have a look at the back. Oh yeah, it's with these wooden sides. The output transformers are up here. That much I can tell you. I haven't been able to look much at this amp myself. It weighs a ton. Okay, here are the output terminals. The inputs, 2 fuses. It's 15 ampere, 1.615, so I guess sorry, 3.15 amp. Okay, that makes more sense. Okay, 1.6 amp. So yeah, this is okay. This is just some to build it together. I don't know if I can take off this one. I just put the phone down in a second here, and then I'm gonna flip it over and then to take a look how it looks inside. Give me a second. I'm gonna need both hands for this job. Okay, so bear with me a second, then you'll be back. So, okay, here is the from beneath. This is some kind of a plastic material. Looks nice. No, it's not plastic. It can't be, because there is so it must be aluminium. So it's an aluminium button. It makes also more sense when I take a look at how he did the top and putting the output transformer in a separate compartment. Bear with me a minute. This guy has been really fond of screws. A lot of should do it this way to secure everything. Yeah, and I should speed up the video. You could also just bypass this part. I must say I'm really looking into how this looks inside. if you look up Amplifon, what they're doing now, it's some really crazy single end amps, what he's building, this guy. So he really put some thoughts in how he wants it. Okay, here we go. Yeah, and look at this. Yeah, they've been given some thoughts about where it could be dangerous. Okay. See, this has been unmodified, so this is absolutely original. I like that the tubes connectors are separated for everything else, and you have the driver circuit as such, and the preamp also. But what has he put into it? So this is the small signal tubes for the preamp. It looks very nice. And here the cables for the power, wasn't it? Yeah, it was. And then, okay, there's a relay here. I guess, yeah, this is probably what is turning off the DC. So it does, probably there's also, in this relay, it does a delay of the turning on the power to the tubes before the heater is ready. I've been in contact with the guy who has or doing the reselling for the whole world, or had the now, and there's a German guy or German company, and they have in contact. He doesn't have the circuit boards for this, or the circuit schematics for this anymore, so I've not been able to get anything on it, but he's probably put some work into it here. It looks very nice, simple and nice, and easy to service, because you can, here you can just unscrew a few terminals. Here you have to unlet this one, but you can unscrew most of it. These two you have to unscrew, and then you can flip the board over. You can't do that. There's a bit more to it, but I guess this is a ground wire here. I like this. This is a different league, and it's spacious in here. He probably it says that this is a rebuild of an WL25 or 30, which was a 30 watt amp, and probably, and he upgraded the power supply, and probably that is for the original one, because here you can see there's place for 2 electrolytes, but they are over here, and there's 4 of them now. So yeah, so, and they're glued well on here. So the output transformer, does it say anything we can use for anything? It says that it's from 2005, sorry. Anybody can do anything of this, and here you have it. And yeah, I really look forward to have a go on this, how it sounds and so, and I'm gonna check where there must be a cathode resistor for this one, a power resistor, so I can measure over that to see how much current it draws to the tubes, how much class A it gives off, and how much power it actually, and I don't know the voltage either. The electrolytes only says 400 volts, and they are coupled in minus plus. Okay, so they are actually coupled up, so it will have a higher voltage than that. And there was nothing to see on the transformer. not as how it's placed. But this is how it looks. Very solid, very nice. I will not look into. I know that the output transformers are also these what's called tutorial ringkerne transformers, and he should do them himself. So you can see here, you can see it below there, below to the air gap here. So yeah, so gonna look forward to that. Anybody has the schematics, feel free to send them to me. So hope you enjoyed it and can use it for something.